Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a continuation of the mutations, the code camp mutations problem. And in an earlier video, I was showing how I took that code that I found somewhere else and then added a bunch of console logs to try and figure out what the heck the code is doing. And using the console log, I pasted the code in from here, from Adam. And if you know of a console log like tool in Atom, so I don't have to take it to a browser, that would be great if you could share it. But I took the code here and then added a bunch of console logs and documentation as the best that I could, and then dropped it into the console here, Control V, and then enter to run it. And you'll see that the output of second word hey is right. It's log, console log, index search result. Okay, let me add a note here. Console log, index search result. This is, let me add a note so I can see what's going on. This is the index search result. I love the auto completion in Atom. It's very handy. And so what this is going to do is it's going to compare the index search result. It's going to run through it, and then if the index search result does not match exactly the index search, index of index, or rather, if it doesn't match the index of first word versus the index of second word, then it's going to throw a -1 or a false. Check for false. And this is what the code looks like in the console. Just clear that out, Control V. Here's the code. Here's the code, and now enter to run it. And let's make this a little bigger so you can see it. Now the first word is hello right there. The second word is hey right there. And now what it does is that index search result compares the second word H, E, and it comes back with a result of 0, and then it comes back with a 1, both of which are being interpreted as true. And then as soon as it hits the Y, which is the third letter here, it comes back, it returns a -1, which is a false. And at that point, the code returns exactly what it's supposed to, which is evaluate the characters to make sure that all of the characters appear in the array. Now let's try a different array, see if it still works. And where is my array? It's down here. Let me move this out of the way. And let's try hello and heli and see how long that works. And it still returns a negative. And so what it's doing, it's actually indexing 0, 1, 2, and then at 2, index 2. Is that right? 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. No, that's not quite right, because heli is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. So heli actually fails at index 4, but let's not belabor that point. Let's do this again and see. Let's add some more in there. See where it complains. Okay, so you can see that the result 2 um, index of search result 2 works all the way up until it finds the Y. I'm not quite sure where this 0, 1, 2 are coming from, frankly. All right, thanks for watching, and give console.log a try if you're not quite sure what's going on in the code. It's clear I'm not quite sure what's going on with the code. All right, thanks for watching, and happy computing.